Today we are going to tackle my headlights. This is a 2006 Nissan Titan. As you can tell, the headlights are yellow and dim. Now I just got the vehicle repainted and put some chrome all over it. And if you guys would like to follow my journey, just look on the top. We'll go subscribe to the channel, and you will see the journey from start to finish. All right, so don't want to prolong this video. I've been all over the internet on YouTube trying to figure out the easiest, fastest way to clean these, right? Because the reality is this is a work truck and I don't want to spend the money to buy new headlights. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to tape it off and then come back and show you how we are going to do this. Okay guys, so what we're going to be using is Mother's mag and aluminum polish, and this I think it was $6 or $6.95 plus tax at your auto shop store. And we're using regular drill with the little sponge right there on the tip. So what we're going to do is take it and just put it on all over. Again guys, real quick and simple. There you go, and start cleaning. Alright, this is only the first application guys, and again it's pretty messy. I should have covered the rest, but let me show you real quick. Alright, this is just one time doing it, and this is what the other one looks like. Can you tell the difference? Man, that's looking nice. Just hit it one more time. No gloves this time. As you can tell, it's pretty messy, guys. I should have covered more of the vehicle, but that's fine. I can always wash it off once I'm finished. Let me wipe my hands off. And again, I have the camera right in my way. Now, I'm not applying any pressure, guys. I'm just letting the pad do its thing. And this is just a regular sponge on the pad. There's no sandpaper or anything. Alright, you wipe it off so you guys can see. See the difference? What a difference, huh? All right, so what I'm gonna do now, because I don't want to prolong this video, I'm about to do the second one, and then I'm gonna show you what type of protectant I'm gonna place on top of the finished product, because you have to protect it. If you don't protect this, then what's gonna happen is eventually it's gonna start to get yellow again and deteriorate, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do the other one. All right, guys, so now we have this side and this side done. And again, it splashes a lot, so I had to cover this up. We're gonna use the 3M restorer, and this is what it looks like. You can pause the video, and it comes with 2 packs. So you just open the pack, open it up, and apply it. Alright, so now the 3M restorer, guys, make sure that you read up on it. Again, this is the first time using it, so we'll see how it works. It's supposed to protect and prevent the yellowing, and is up to 4 times longer, so we'll see. Alright, so here and here, and I will remove the tape and show you what it looks like. Alright, guys, this is what it looks like. Not bad, huh? I'm not complaining. So yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Good. Alright, guys, if you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. Again, I will put a link to the products that I used in the description of this video, and like and subscribe. Again, I try to cut this down, guys, not to make this too long. All right, have a great one.